Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why some people start speaking English naturally while others stay silent for years even after studying? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to practice English with real voices and stories and how this simple habit can change your fluency faster than you think. Before we begin, take 1 second, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below where you are watching from. This helps the channel grow and it tells me you want to learn English seriously. Now, let's begin this journey together. Chapter 1, I wanted to speak English fluently, but I was shy. Very shy. Every time I opened my mouth, I felt afraid. I made mistakes. People corrected me. Sometimes they laughed, and I felt small. But here's the strange part. I still wanted fluency more than anything. One day, a teacher looked at me and said something very simple. He said, "You can be fluent if you practice every day." That sentence stayed in my mind. It followed me home. It followed me to bed. Most people never notice this, but one sentence can change your life. That sentence changed mine. I realized fluency is not magic. It is work. It is daily work. Fluency is like planting a tree. You do not shout at the seed. You do not rush it. You put it in the ground. You water it. You give it sunlight every day. And one day, without warning, it grows. This is where real voices come in. When you listen to real people speaking English, your brain starts learning without stress. But here's the surprising part. You do not need to understand everything. You only need to listen and repeat. This is called shadowing. You hear a sentence, you repeat it. Slowly, clearly, again and again. At first, you feel awkward, but after a few days, something changes. Your mouth moves faster. Your fear becomes smaller, and you start believing, maybe I can do this. And that belief is the first real step to fluency. Chapter 2. One day, a student came to me. She looked sad. Her eyes were tired. She said, "Teacher, I want to speak English, but I forget words." Most learners feel this pain, but here's the part many people do not understand. Fluency is not about knowing all the words. It is about using the words you already know. I smiled and told her not to worry. I told her practice is everywhere, and this shocked her. Practice is not only books. Practice is listening to stories. Practice is listening to real voices. Practice is repeating what you hear. Let me show you what changed everything for her. I asked her to listen to one short story every day. Just one. She listened. Then she repeated the sentences out loud. Not fast, slowly. Every day. After 7 days, something happened. She came back, smiling. She was still making mistakes, but she was speaking more. That is the power of shadowing. Your brain starts copying rhythm. Your ears guide your mouth. Most people never notice this, but children learn this way. They listen, they repeat. They do not study grammar first. When you shadow real voices, English becomes sound, not fear. And here is the emotional part. When she spoke, she felt hope, real hope. And hope keeps you practicing. Without hope, people quit. With hope, people continue. Chapter 3. I remember when I was a student, I loved stories. Every night, I listened to them. My teacher read, and I repeated. At first, I was slow, very slow. But repetition is powerful. But here's the strange part. One day, I noticed I was faster. I did not plan it, it just happened. This is what happens after 7 days of real practice. Shadowing changes your confidence before it changes your grammar. Another student once asked me, "Is fluency speaking fast?" And this question is very important. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is clarity. You can speak slowly and still be fluent. One boy spoke very fast, but nobody understood him. I told him to slow down, to breathe, to use simple words. He did. And suddenly, people listened to him. He smiled more. His confidence grew. Shadowing helps here too. When you repeat real voices, you learn natural pauses. You learn where to stop, where to stress words. This is something books cannot teach you. But here's the key moment. Fluency is a journey. You do not jump, you walk, one sentence at a time. And one day, you look back and realize you are not afraid anymore. Chapter 4. There is a secret to fluency, a simple secret, and most people ignore it. The secret is listening. Listen to conversations, listen to stories, listen to songs. When you listen, your brain builds patterns. I knew a girl who loved music. She listened to English songs every day. She sang along. She did not understand every word, but she repeated, and her fluency improved. Another important thing is mistakes. Mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers. One student was afraid to speak. She thought people would laugh. I told her to speak anyway. She did. She made mistakes, many mistakes, but she did not stop. And something beautiful happened. She stopped being afraid. Shadowing helps here too. When you repeat sentences, mistakes feel safer. You are copying, not creating. And slowly, you start creating too. Fluency also grows when you think in English. Translation slows you down. Thinking in English speeds you up. Try this. Talk to yourself in English. Simple thoughts. This feels strange at first, but after days, it feels normal. Chapter 5. Reading is another powerful tool. Simple reading. When you read, you see how sentences work. I used to write new words and use them in sentences. One student read every day. She did not understand everything, but she continued. And understanding came later. Recording yourself is also powerful. When you hear your own voice, you learn faster. One student recorded herself daily. She listened. She improved. Practicing with friends helps too. Two friends decided to speak only English. They helped each other. Fluency grew faster. Using English in real life is important. At the market, at work, everywhere. One student spoke English with customers. At first, it was hard. Then, it became normal. Curiosity helps too. Ask about new words. Use them. Set goals, small goals. Enjoy the process. Watch movies. Repeat lines. Repetition is magic. Different people teach you different styles. Talk about topics you love. Football, music, anything. When you enjoy the topic, words come easier. Chapter 6. Fluency is patience. It takes time, but time passes anyway. Better to use it practicing. Listening is as important as speaking. Stay positive. Step out of comfort zones. Learn from fluent speakers. Fluency is like cooking. Many ingredients. Practice, listening, speaking, mistakes. Celebrate small wins. Pauses are okay. Silence is okay. Learn phrases. Be curious about culture. Enjoy the language. Ask for feedback. Use flashcards. Be comfortable thinking. Be flexible. Stay connected with learners. Set routines. Be persistent. Review old lessons. Enjoy English. And remember this, fluency is not just speaking. It is connecting. It is sharing your voice. Every sentence you speak is progress. So keep going. Now, tell me in the comments, what motivates you to learn English? And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to speak English confidently.